A singing start to a night of festivities during the Walt Whitman Walking Tour.
Now, why we're doing this is Walt Whitman walked these streets. He lived a third of his life right here in Brooklyn.
Whitman wrote one of his most famous poetry books, Leaves of Grass, right here in Brooklyn.
You get this picture of Walt, right? And then it says, Brooklyn.
I've been friends with Greg Trupiano, who is the artistic director of the Walt Whitman Project. He invited me to, and I actually do tours at the Fort Greene Park about Walt Whitman with Greg.
Of course, a Walt Whitman tour wouldn't be complete without actual live readings of Walt Whitman's greatest works.
Voices veiled, and I remove the veil. Voices indecent.
The tour started off at our very own St. Francis College and entered into the areas of Tillery Street, Borough Hall, and other close-by locations.
I found this out about this tour by I read a bunch of blogs about Brooklyn. My wife here is really into Walt Whitman, into poetry, and I thought she'd be really excited about it.
I just like the energy of his poems and the fact that he makes you feel like everybody's important, everybody's creative, and everyone is a part of the universe.
Whitman's history is really American history.
This is Leah Gomez for SFCTV.